We'll guide you through how to create portfolio website in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser and moving your cursor to the search bar at the top. Click the bar to select it, type Notion, then press Enter on your keyboard so the page can load the results. When the results appear, click the first site that shows up, which will take you to Notion. After the site loads, log in or sign into your account so you can enter your workspace. Once you are logged in, go to the Marketplace section, which is where Notion keeps its template library. Inside the Marketplace, look for the Templates option and select it to open the full list of templates you can use. At the top of the Templates section, you will find a search bar. Click it and type Portfolio to look for portfolio templates that Notion provides. The search will show a list of portfolio template options, so choose one of the free templates that appears in the results. After selecting the template, open it and look for the Add button. Click Add, then choose Private so the template is added directly to the Private section of your workspace. When the template is added, look at the left sidebar to find it in your list of pages. Left-click the template to open it and start editing. Once it loads, go to the top of the page where the title is located. Click the title and change it to any name you prefer for your portfolio. After updating the title, move to the profile picture. Right-click the picture, select the Replace option, and upload a photo that fits your style. With the picture updated, scroll through the rest of the template and adjust the information section by section. Replace the default text with your own details, such as your name, address, phone, and email. Keep moving through each part of the page and edit the items until they match your work and layout style. You can also replace images, update links, and reorganize the blocks if you want a different structure. Once everything is updated, review the entire page to make sure the information is complete and clear. After that, your portfolio site is ready to share or keep for personal use inside Notion.